Suit up, it's time to go for a drive. If you want to load and haul with power and style, Sandvik LH621i is the loader of your choice. This loader combines carefully considered ergonomics, safety, and comfort. From the cabin's point of view, it means enhanced visibility, adjustable high-power LED lights, and a 7-inch touchscreen color display. New air conditioning is also a feature worth mentioning. All this in a functional and spacious package. Every detail of this sturdy loader has been designed with maximum fire safety in mind, backed up by an optional Eclipse fire suppression system from Sandvik. So let's wake up the sleeping bull. The new Sandvik LH621i cabin offers increased leg space and improved pedal positioning to optimize operator comfort. Increased fuel tank capacity ensures a full 12 hours of continuous operation. With a slimline dash and greater headroom, the cabin provides a comfortable environment for productive operation throughout a shift. This functional cabin uses dust and noise-resistant materials, while the proven Sandvik design substantially reduces physical stress for the operator. For example, the adjustable joysticks can be configured either on the cabin wall or when fixed to the seat. The optional ride control system guarantees a smoother ride over the rough ground when carrying loads at a high tramming speed. A new heavy-duty rear frame and mast with integrated reaction bars minimize damage from potential wall impacts. Added weight in the rear of the loader balances the machine with lifting and pushing into the muck pile. Smart boom geometry combined with high hydraulic power provides fast and efficient bucket filling and enables easy handling of oversized rocks. Shark ground engaging tools are available on a wide range of bucket sizes to extend the bucket service life. Sandvik LH621i has been designed for use with AutoMine, our robust mining automation system. It is the industry leader in mining automation for improved productivity, increased safety, and reduced equipment damage. Wall avoidance functionality measures the surroundings continuously and keeps the machine out of harm's way, even when running at full speed. AutoMine is scalable, which means you can start small and build up to more machines and more capabilities later on. You can take the optimization even further with Sandvik's powerful suite of digital tools for an extended life cycle and increased productivity. My Sandvik offers you relevant information for your Sandvik fleet, and AutoMine integrates all your data into one source. This provides you both real-time and predictive actionable information to improve your operations. These solutions are in operation around the world, saving a lot of precious time. Sandvik LH621i reinforces the new breed of productivity of underground loaders. Sandvik LH621i is the machine of choice for large-scale mining production. It can clear a heading in a flash and has the lowest cost per ton on the market. An efficient combination of brute force and intelligent features make this loader an integral part of your fleet. Sandvik LH621i. Safer, stronger, smarter.